Hello, this is my first video blog. I want to use it to share some of the highlights of my first couple of weeks as President of the Law Society. I've already met with the senior leaders of the legal profession at events and meetings, including the President of the Supreme Court, the Master of the Rolls, the President of the Family Division, and leading politicians such as the Attorney General and the Solicitor General and the Chair of the Justice Select Committee. I've spoken to journalists from The Times, the Financial Times and The Guardian on a number of stories, and also with other organisations such as local law societies, Justice and the Judicial Appointments Commission, and of course the Lord Chancellor and Justice Secretary Michael Gove. You may have been involved in some of these significant events of the last weeks. Some members are now taking action against the government's second fee cut for criminal legal aid. I've been speaking to solicitors who are facing difficult decisions about what to do in the short term and the long term. And the criminal bar has now voted to take action as well. The government has also now announced its intention to close 91 courts up and down the country. A core principle for our profession is to promote and protect access to justice for all. This value unites our diverse membership. We will be responding to the government's proposals for the closures, but we need robust evidence of the impact of those proposals on you and your clients, and we need your help to provide that. We are pleased that last week our call to protect communications between solicitors and their clients reached a further milestone when the High Court ruled that mass data retention legislation is illegal. We've seen more instances of data and surveillance powers being seriously and repeatedly overused. Intelligence agencies have been spying on conversations between solicitors and their clients. This ruling recognises the fundamental importance of legal professional privilege. You may have seen our new research on the potential impact of changes for the routes to qualification. Legal services are worth more than £30 billion to the UK economy and support well in excess of 300,000 jobs. The UK's global reputation for law has been established over centuries because of the quality of legal practitioners, their excellent education, the high standards of our courts and the independence of our judiciary, which is beyond question. Our research found that the training contract is the global gold standard. It distinguishes our qualification from its international rivals. Members and other organisations to whom we spoke saw significant risks with the proposed changes. These changes potentially jeopardise our position as the centre of legal excellence. As part of our international relationship building, I have had the opportunity to welcome the Italian Justice Minister, as well as 6 delegates from China keen to learn more about the way our system works. This came just a couple of weeks after an incredibly successful international marketplace event held here at the Law Society, bringing together more than 100 lawyers from nearly 20 jurisdictions. These opportunities greatly help English and Welsh firms build relationships, cross-sell and expand their international reach, including emerging markets. I hope you'll be back for my next update. In the meantime, you can stay up to date with what I'm doing by following me on Twitter @LawSocPresident. Thanks for watching.